Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Modern Jive Whip, often known as an MJ Whip. It's in the first move family of moves, so obviously knowing how to do first moves is going to be useful. And it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Easy as that. So let's break it down. Probably easiest if we start with the fellas on this side. So we go back on 1. Looks like a normal first move. We come in on 2. One thing we will do though is make sure we pick up the shoulder blade rather than the hip. Can be done from the hip, but it feels nicer from the shoulder blade. We're going to twist the ladies out, and as the ladies twist out, guys, we're going to move forwards across in front of the ladies, turning to our right. Turning to our right, we're going to draw the lady through the space we were just stood in, release her with the right hand hanging on with the left, so she slides back to where she started and we end up back on the spots we began. So let's do that with some numbers. We go back 1, inside by side 2, cut across twisting the lady out 3, continue the rotation to bring the lady through 4, releasing and facing on 5. So let's try it to a count. Here we go. 5, a 6, an MJ, a whip. We go a back, in, across, back through, and look. Easy as that. Hope you've enjoyed it. Short and sweet. I'll pop a music recommendation on the end. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Big thank you to everybody who does that because it helps grow the channel. And of course, if you hit that notification bell, you'll know every time a new video clip comes out. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft, and we'll see you next time. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.